In this video, I'm going to show you how to search your equipment and update information using Fluid Life's myLab. In myLab, searching can be a powerful tool. Here are some examples. Let's say there's a D11 dozer out there that you want to look at, but you can't remember which site it's on. I'll go to the Search Equipment task. By default, myLab searches pretty much everything, so I'll simply enter D11 and press Search. I get 4 units and 16 components. I'll click on the units. I can now see the details on these 4. I now see the one I want and click on it anywhere in the row. This takes me to the unit page for it. If that's not the right one, I can get back to the search results by clicking the back button here. Going back to the search page, you can see you can control where myLab searches for you. So if I'm looking for a unit with 128 in the name, I can select to search just units. Then a new list appears where I can specify that I'm interested in searching in the unit ID field. Then I'll enter 128 and press search. And I immediately get my results. Let's perform another search. Normally, myLab searches for anything containing what I enter. If I want an exact match, I can select the Advanced Options link. Now I'll check Exact Match. Now, when I search for D11, I only get the 4 components that are not D11Ts, as that isn't an exact match. myLab also ignores upper and lower case by default. I can turn that off here. I can also search the additional advanced component fields that contain extra breather and filter details here. Let's do a search for all CAT units. I get 50 units. Now if I only want the dozers, I can click on the unit type column header, and I get a drop menu. I'll select Filter. In the filter area that appears, I click on the filter field, and I get a list of types. I'll select Dozer and Filter, and now I'll close. Now I've got just the dozers. I could filter on multiple columns to get just the list I'm looking for. I can now sort the model by clicking on the column header and selecting Sort A to Z. I can review my CAT dozers to ensure all of the models, unit types, and serial numbers are correct. I can also export this list to Excel by clicking here. Being able to find things is one thing, but being able to fix problems you find is where myLab really helps out in keeping your data consistent. Let's say I want to put all of these units into the myMobile area. I'll start by clicking the Edit Units button down here. Now I can make changes to these search results. I'll click on one of the unit areas that says myMobile. Then I'll click the Multiple Fill tool up top and select Fill Column. In the fill area that appears, I'll click the Fill button. Now all of my CAT dozers are in the myMobile area. I can also simply click on any field to make the changes I need, like changing the serial number. When I'm done, I'll click Save to save my changes. That concludes searching and replacing. Thank you for watching.